Welcome to our Restoring America channel, where we will show you a common person's approach to do-it-yourself repairs. Today we will be working on a 2003 Ford F250 XLT 7.3 liter crew cab. This is the third part of our series entitled 2003 Ford F250 Super Duty XLT 7.3 liter crew cab fuel tank restoration, and I will be cleaning the tank. As I inspect the tank, I wanted to mention that I have removed the hoses and the tank is already off of the vehicle. Check out my other videos for skid plate removal, tank removal, and also my sending unit repair. Just a couple of quick points. The plastic part that attaches to the filler neck hose, unless modified inside of the tank, will not allow you to drain any residual fuel through that opening as it extends into the tank a few inches. Tank design is rather interesting. For instance, the hole where the sending unit was located and all of the other vapor lines and openings and connections and so on are not an option to remove any of that residual fuel either by design, and therefore a fluid transfer pump to remove any residual fuel may be a good choice. Inexpensive fluid transfer pumps approved for fuels can be purchased at many auto parts and hardware stores. Of course, it's never a bad idea to use approved containers to store fuel and the appropriate eye and hand protection during the fuel transfer operation. Whenever working with fuel, I always work in a well-ventilated area, and after I did as much pumping as I possibly could, I used some shop towels to remove the very last of the fuel. My assistant is holding up the fuel tank cleaning kit I used. It came with gloves, cleaning solution, and a lint-free drying towel. All I have left is to mix up the solution in the tank according to the directions, scrub out the tank with my cleaning wand that I purchased at an auto parts store, and then remove the spent product with my fluid transfer pump. When I dry the inside of the tank with the lint-free towel, I will ensure it is completely dried out with no debris left in the tank. Well, that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching and feel free to comment. Please like and subscribe. I do have more videos on their way. Take care now.